In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Audition voiceover preset, beginner guide. We'll take a clean voice recording, load it into Audition, apply a built-in voiceover preset, fine-tune it so it fits your voice, and then export a polished file you can use anywhere. Start by bringing your recording into the waveform editor. The quickest way is to drag your audio file straight into the Audition window. It will open in a single track view where you can see the waveform clearly and make precise edits. If you accidentally land in multi-track, just click the waveform tab so you're editing the original file. This view is perfect for quick voice cleanup because you can hear changes immediately and keep your focus on the performance. Next, look to the left panel for the effects rack. This is where Audition stacks real-time effects, so you can shape the sound before committing to any changes. If the panel isn't visible, enable it from the window menu. With the rack open, you're ready to call up a preset that's designed for spoken word. At the top of the rack, open the presets dropdown and choose one tailored for voice, such as voiceover, podcast, or vocal presence. These presets load a sensible chain, typically EQ to balance tone, a compressor to control dynamics, and a de-esser to tame harsh S sounds. Think of it as a starting point that gets you most of the way there instantly, while still giving you full control to personalize the sound. Press play to preview and adjust. Use headphones and watch your levels. If the voice sounds boomy, pull a little low end with the EQ. If it feels dull, add a gentle presence boost around the upper mids. If your peaks jump around, lower the compressor threshold slightly until the loud parts feel controlled but still natural. For hissy S sounds, nudge the de-esser strength just enough to smooth them without lisping. A helpful tip is to toggle the power button at the top of the rack to A/B your changes so you can hear exactly what each tweak is doing and avoid over-processing. When you're happy, click Apply at the bottom of the effects rack. This renders the processing to the file in the waveform editor. Because this is a permanent change, it's smart to have a backup of the original recording, just in case you want to revisit the settings later. Finally, export your finished voiceover. Go to File, Export File, choose your format and quality, name the file clearly, and pick a destination folder you'll remember. Wavy is ideal for highest quality archiving, while a high bitrate MP3 works well for quick delivery. That's it. You've imported, preset, previewed, applied, and exported a polished voiceover in Adobe Audition.